Here's how to check if your monitor supports FreeSync or G-Sync. So the first step you're going to do is to right-click from your desktop. After right-clicking from your desktop, go ahead and click on the Graphics and Properties option. After clicking the Graphics and Properties options, this will appear on your screen. When the Intel HD Graphics Control Panel appears on your screen, go ahead and click on the Display options. Under the display options, you will see there the model of the laptop monitor device that you have. Now, to copy that monitor and go to Google Safari or Chrome and search for FreeSync Monitors AMD. Click on that website, and then what you need to do is to find there the monitor model that you have and to check if the model of your laptop supports FreeSync or G-Sync.